Hello, my name is Ryan Bergman with the Department of Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering at Iowa State University. I'm here to talk with you today about doing routine maintenance on your sprayer to ensure high-quality spray applications this spring. This is not meant to be a replacement for your owner's manual, but rather a reminder of important things to check on your machine. When working on pesticide application equipment, it's important to remember to wear the proper personal protective equipment. For this, that would be a minimum of goggles, long sleeve shirt, and protective gloves. But depending on the chemical residues that may be in your machine, you should consult the specific chemical labels for the proper PPE. It's important to periodically check your machine's flow meters to make sure they're clean and free from debris. This machine has 2 flow meters located on the side of the machine. Those can be removed and checked to make sure that they're clean and operating freely. Depending on the type of machine you have, it may have a different style of flow meter on it, so consult your owner's manual to determine the specific instructions for your machine's flow meters. It's important to periodically check all of the strainers on your machine. This helps ensure that you're getting adequate product flow throughout the entire boom width to achieve the proper rate out of each nozzle on the machine. This machine has 3 strainers located at the rear of the machine, as well as 2 strainers located on the left side of the machine. We can take the strainers out and inspect them to make sure that they're clean and free from debris buildup. It's important to also periodically look over your machine's plumbing, make sure that all the lines are properly secured so that there's no risk of them getting caught as we go through the field. Also, now and then we should inspect the lines to make sure we're not getting residue buildup in them. A common place where this occurs is at the end caps of the machine, where the nozzle section ends and doesn't go on to another section. And it's important to check this so that we don't get residue buildup there that could potentially contaminate the next batch of product we would apply with the machine. You should also check the nozzles on your machine to ensure that they're properly secured to the machine plumbing. This ensures that all your tips are in the correct orientation and angle to each other to ensure the optimal spray pattern as you're applying product with the machine. This is especially important out towards the ends of the boom, where it might frequently contact the ground, fence lines, or trees as you're outlining the borders of a field. It's also important to check to ensure your boom is properly greased periodically. This helps to make sure that all the boom joints are properly lubricated so that the boom can move freely, and this allows boom height control systems to work effectively, which helps ensure high quality applications. Those are some periodic maintenance items to check on your machine prior to heading to the field. This helps ensure high quality application with your machine all season long. Thanks for watching.